What up, my dudes? About to do an epic prank, alright? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sit on the toilet, alright? I'm gonna sit on the toilet, see? What I'm gonna do is I am gonna, like, see people's reactions. I'm gonna be sitting, so imagine there's like a toilet seat, that's the toilet seat right there. I'm gonna be sitting down. I'm gonna place the camera right here, and there's gonna be people walk past. I wanna see what they do. It's gonna be pretty funny. Guys, let's do it right now! What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like down below, subscribe, turn on those post notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video because it's almost every day, bruh. See you guys. Peace.